Welcome to RM Education Center. Today our subject is chemistry, topic atomic structure. In previous video already we discussed till question number 40. From today we will start from question number 41. Before start the question session, I would like to say everybody that who is new in my channel, first subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Now go to the question number 41. Question number 41 says that when a helium atom loses an electron, it becomes A. Negative helium ion, B. An alpha particle, C. A positive helium ion, D. A proton. Right answer of question 41 is option C. A positive helium ion. Next question is question number 42. The photoelectric effect is described as the ejection of electrons from the surface of a metal when A. It is heated, B. It is placed in strong electric field, C. Electrons of suitable velocity impinge on it, D. Light of suitable wavelength falls on it. Right answer of question 42 is option D. Light of suitable wavelength falls on it. Next question is question number 43. The constituent particle of a nucleus in an atom are A. Electron and proton, B. Proton and neutron, C. Electron and neutron, D. Electron, proton and neutron. Right answer of question 43 is option B. Proton and neutron. Next question is question number 44. The alpha particle carries two positive charges. Its mass is very nearly equals to that of A. 2 protons, B. An atom of helium, C. Sum of masses of 2 positrons and 2 neutrons, and option D. 2 positrons as each positron carries a single positive charge. Right answer of question 44 is B. An atom of helium. Next question is question number 45. In an atom, the order of filling up of the orbitals is governed by A. Aufbau principle, B. Hund's rule, C. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, C. Pauli's exclusion principle. Right answer of question 45 is option A. Aufbau principle. Next question is question number 46. Regarding the atom of a chemical element, the magnetic quantum number refers to A. Orientation, B. Shape, C. Size, D. Spin. Right answer of question 46 is A. Orientation. Next question is question number 47. By which of the following an old written material which cannot be read easily can be read? A. Gamma rays, B. X rays, C. IR rays, D. Radio frequency waves. The right answer of question 47 is option B. X rays. Next question is question 48. Wavelength of which of the following colors of the visible spectrum of light are maximally absorbed by green plants? A. Green and yellow, B. Red and blue, C. Green and red, D. Blue and yellow. Right answer of question 48 is option B, red and blue. Next question is question number 49. Which of the following has highest frequency? A. Cosmic rays, B. X-rays, C. Radio waves, D. Microwaves. Right answer of question 49 is A. Cosmic rays, which is highest frequency. Next question is question number 50. Which of the following electromagnetic wave has the longest wavelength? A. Infrared rays, B. Gamma rays, C. Light rays, D. Ultraviolet rays. Right answer of question 50 is A. Infrared rays. Next question is question number 51. Which of the following has the longest wavelength? A. Ultraviolet radiation, B. Gamma radiation, C. Visible radiation, D. Infrared radiation. Right answer of question 51 is option D, infrared radiation. Next question is question number 52. Which electromagnetic radiation is emitted by radioactive substances? A. Gamma rays, B. Radio waves, C. Microwaves, D. X-ray. Right answer of question 52 is option A, gamma rays. Next question is question number 53. Which of the following waves can propagate in a vacuum? There are 4 options. 1. Radio waves, 2. Light waves, 3. X-rays, 4. Ultrasonic waves. Question says that select the correct answer using code given below. Codes are A 1 2 3, B 1 2 3 4, C 2 3 4, D 1 and 4. 1 is radio waves, 2 is light waves, 3 is X-rays, 4 is ultrasonic waves. Which is correct? Which of the following waves can propagate in vacuum? Among of the 4 options, which one is correct? A 1 2 3, B 1 2 3 4, C 2 3 4, D 1 and 4. Right answer of question 53 is option A 1 2 3. That means radio waves, light waves and X-rays can travel in vacuum. Next question is question number 54. The number of unpaired electrons in Mn2 plus is option A 1, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Right answer of question 54 is option D 5. Next question is question 55. Wavelength of X-rays is of the order of A 1 millimeter, B 1 centimeter, C 1 micron, D 1 angstrom. Right answer of question 55 is D 1 angstrom. Next question is question 56. Consider the following parts of spectra: 1 visible, 2 infrared, 3 ultraviolet, 4 microwave. Which of the following is the correct sequence in which the wavelength increases? 4 3 1 2, option A, option B 4 1 2 3, option C 3 2 1 4, option D 3 1 2 4. Correct sequence in which the wavelengths increase. Right answer of question 56 is option D 3 1 2 4. In that sequence the wavelengths increase. That means ultraviolet, visible, infrared, then microwave. Next question is question 57. Propagation of light quanta may be described by A. Photons, B. Protons, C. Neutrons, D. Electrons. The right answer of question 57 is A. Photons. Next question is question number 58. Which of the following is not electromagnetic in nature? A. Cathode rays, B. Infrared rays, C. Gamma rays, D. X-rays. Right answer of question 58 is A. Cathode rays, which is not electromagnetic in nature. Next question is question 59. Which one of the correct sequence of wavelength of radiation? Ultraviolet greater than green greater than IR, infrared greater than hard X-ray. Option B, infrared greater than green greater than ultraviolet greater than hard X-ray. Option C, UV greater than hard X-ray greater than IR greater than green. Option D, IR greater than hard X-rays greater than green greater than UV. Right answer of question 59 is option B is the correct answer. IR, green, UV, then hard X-rays. It is the correct sequence of the wavelength radiation. Next question and last question of today, which is question number 60. Which one of the following elements has 2 electrons in the K cell only? Option A, hydrogen. Option B, helium. Option C, neon. Option D, sulfur. Which one of the following elements has 2 electrons in K cell only? The right answer of question 60 is B, helium. Thanks for watching.